Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Vincent and you are watching Vincent's Culinary Arts. In today's video, I will show you something different. Instead of a carving, I will make a dish which is called Paneer Pinwheel. This is going to be a very exciting video, so let's begin. For this recipe, my main ingredients is paneer, which is Indian cottage cheese. So I need to grate this one first. You have to finely grate the paneer like this. I have finished grating my cottage cheese. Now I have to add all these ingredients with this cheese. So I have to add 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon semolina or Sooji, and 1/4 ground black pepper powder and salt to taste. So my pinwheel dough is ready now. I will keep this aside for 10 minutes and meanwhile I will make a cashew paste and my sauce for this dish. You can make this cashew paste. You can use milk or heavy cream. See this paste. For my gravy, I will first saute a few things. For this gravy, I am using this vegetable oil. I have 8 pieces of clove garlic. I have some sliced ginger. Diced onion. And some diced tomato. I have finished sauteing. Now I have to make smooth paste out of this. So I have finished blending my sautéed vegetable. The paste is ready. Now I am going to make the gravy for my pinwheel dish. So once again I am using this vegetable oil for this gravy. Add some kasuri methi. Turmeric powder, chili powder, Little bit garam masala. Salt to taste. And finally this paste. You can see the gravy is start boiling. It's almost ready. I will add a little bit of heavy cream. And finally, I am adding the cashew paste. My gravy is ready. Now I will make the paneer pinwheel using the dough mixture. Sprinkle little bit of flour on top of the rolling board. Flatten this how you make a chapati or a tortilla. Don't make it too thin. Now I will put some gravy on top of this and spread it out. Spread it all over. Then I will add some dry parsley, some chaat masala, some kasuri methi, and chopped coriander. Now to make the pinwheel, I will cut out thin stripe using this pizza cutter. So now my paneer pinwheel is ready. I will cook them in the gravy for some time. Now cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Now my paneer pinwheel cooking is done. It looks ready. I will plate it now. Garnish with the picked coriander. So this is my paneer pinwheel dish with gravy. I hope you guys all liked it. If you enjoyed watching this, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and goodbye. And I will see you in my next one.